welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jojo, and today we are on day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas giveaways, and our sponsor today is Pixie Blend Home Decor. So they're located in town at Revlon Professional next to the bazaar on Biashara Street. They're on 4th floor, room number 24. So I'm going to take you around the shop and see the variety that they are offering in terms of faux flowers, vases, pillowcases, fairy lights, and much more. You'll get to see what they have. So let's do that. So make sure you watch this video until the end and see the beautiful wall decor that you will be winning. So if you're lucky to get this is what you're going to be having. So I'll insert a photo here so that you get to see how it looks when it's stuck on the wall. So for you to get your hands on this beautiful wall decor, the rules of engagement are very simple. You have to have subscribed to my channel. Make sure you follow Pixie Blend. I'm going to put their handles right here. Follow them on IG and also follow DIY with Jojo on Instagram. And I'll be announcing the winner tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. So make sure you comment down in the comment section and say that you're interested, so that I know that everyone who has entered is interested in this beautiful wall decor. And that is it, guys, for today. I'll see you tomorrow with another giveaway. Bye.